So hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas part 3. So for today's video guys, we are gonna unbox some of the stuff that I got for myself for Christmas. And some of the stuff I already unboxed because I need to use them. So first things first is let's start with the stuff that I already opened. So first one of course is the Gucci ophidia bag. I love this bag so much because it's a decent size and my wallet fits on it. So this is my go-to bag, and because I love it so much, me, Ryan, and Tyler got my mother-in-law the exact bag that I have. And the next thing is my Gucci reversible belt. So my husband got me this as a Christmas gift. So I really love this because it's like buying two belts in one price. So I can wear this with the signature Gucci logo or the back side and just twist this like this, and I can use the black side of the belt, which is the most common one that I see people using. So it's 2-in-1, really nice belt. So this is the Burberry cashmere scarf. It's so soft, it's so nice. It's made with organic wool and I love the design. And the next one is the Mcm bag. So I love this bag so much. It's so handy. It's small, but it's my Gucci wallet, so fits on this bag. And for me, this is more of like a party bag, or like if I wear something sexy, this is really the bag that will like fit the occasion. So Mcm is not really that expensive compared to Gucci, Prada, or YSL. This is more affordable, so that's why, you know what, I love the design and it looks classy to me, so that's why I got this bag. So I got another Canada Goose jacket. This is half of the price of my parka jacket. So if it's really like crazy winter and it's really below 0, then I'll use my parka Canada Goose. Right now, like at this month, it's December, it's not that cold. So I'm gonna use this Canada Goose jacket, and for January and February, that is like the main winter months, then I'm gonna use my parka Canada Goose. So let's start with my first Adidas shoes here in the US. So the Yeezy V2. This is what it looks like. It's so nice. So maybe that's why Yeezy shoes are so expensive and at the same time in demand and popular, because maybe the kind of material that they use on their shoes. Plus it's so light. And here's the other one. So yeah, it's just a simple design. I can't really say that there's really an extra thing that you look forward on these shoes. It's just the material is different. And now let's open this gift. Actually, I just wrapped this for myself, so I really know what's inside, but it's just good to like open gifts. Just feel like it brings joy to me. So this is the Salvatore Ferragamo's block heels. So inside is, you always get dust bag with high-end brands like this one. So it's just Salvatore Ferragamo, made in Italy. And this is what the sandals look like. So I love this because it's made with PVC, and I love the color, and the block heel is transparent and clear. So it's just different than other sandals. I'm gonna wear this in special occasions if I attend parties, so at least I have this. And the next one is so this is shoes from Tod's. So I love the box. It looks like Louis Vuitton. It's orange. You do get a dust bag for this one. And this is the shoes. So it is so nice. And that's why I got this, because it's a closed shoe. So this is like a formal gathering kind of shoe. And at the same time, the heel of this shoe is thicker. It's not stick heel. So it's gonna be comfy for me to walk, and I won't feel pressure. And I love the color. It's so seductive to look at. So now let's open my recent purchases, this 2-box. So inside, I got a thank you note, and I got a free tester size of the MCM perfume. So you get a thank you letter, MCM envelope. Inside is just your receipt, return label if you decided to return the bag, and pretty much that's it. And you get this dust bag, and inside is another cute MCM bag. Look at how cute this bag is. I feel like it's just so handy. It's cute, and what I love about this is you can turn this into a crossbody bag. Now I have a crossbody bag, so if I want it to be a handbag, I'll just remove the straps. Also, before I buy bags, I always make sure that my Gucci wallet fits, just because it's a little bit big. Also, you get a small envelope, and this is just like the serial number and the QR code to know that your bag is original. And the last but not the least, guys, save the last for the best. So let's open this one, guys. And inside, oh, look at this. It's so nice. That's when you know that it's really an expensive item, if the packaging itself is just fabulous that you don't want to open it forever. So these are just like black plastic to support the bag. And let's open my first YSL bag. So Yves Saint Laurent. You get an envelope. Inside is thank you letter, return label, and your receipt. Aw, look at the packaging. It's so nice. I don't want to open this one. And of course, a dust bag. Here we go. So every brand, different color of dust bag. And inside is my first ever YSL belt bag. So it's so cute, guys. Plus, it's so big for a belt bag size. Yep, most important thing is my Gucci wallet will fit in here. So here you go, guys. It's so nice. And I just make this as a belt. So most of the time, I'm just gonna wear this like this, guys. Yep, like this. So, yep. So this is a Louis Vuitton case card that I got. I bought this on top of my Gucci Ophidia wallet because at work, I don't want to like carry this in the cafeteria or just like carry one of my credit card. And if ever I go to the store for like a quick grocery shopping, I don't need to bring my whole wallet. I just need this. So this is why I got a Louis Vuitton case card, and it can fit to like 3 credit cards. So my Wells Fargo, my Citi credit card, and my American Express is on the middle of this one. And these are like my go-to credit cards that I use right now. My Apple card stays in here, and also my ATM and my Discover credit card. And I got here too Ryan's Amazon Prime credit card and our travel credit card, which is the Chase Marriott Bonvoy card. And all my IDs, insurance, gift cards are in here too. So yes, guys, that's everything I got for myself this Christmas, and of course from my husband, the Gucci belt. So I know I spend a lot of money, but at the same time, these are all the extra money that I didn't expect to receive on top of my base salary. So that's why I just decided to like spoil myself, because living here in the US for 2 years was really a struggle, and I worked so hard to be where I am now, and that's why I deserve all of these. Sometimes you just need extra stuff to inspire yourself to work harder and achieve your goals. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you on my next Vlogmas. See ya!